94.7 QDR. Hey, it's Heather Davis. It's another edition of Fursday, and today we have our friends from the Johnston County Animal Services. I've got Tina here with me, and you've got some adorable fur babies there with you. Tell us about them.
We do. Today we have 4 siblings. We have Crystal and Blizzard and Elliot and Mo. They came to us as strays. We think they're probably about a year old. They all get along. We haven't had any issues with other cats, as far as them playing with other cats. Dogs we're not too sure about.
Okay.
And unfortunately, we don't have any kids at this time to test them with. But as you can see, Crystal here is a huge lap baby. So I think as long as she has a lap, she's going to be okay with any sort of human.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute, and all of them are so cute. I was looking at the pictures, and Blizzard actually looks a lot like a cat I had when I was younger. It was a female, but had the gray on the top. Oh my gosh, look at it.
Actually, this is Blizzard. I just grabbed Blizzard.
Yes. They're so lovable.
I love you, but you got to get somebody else to love you.
He's like, but I want to give you kisses.
All day long, all day long.
So they came in together, so we do think they're related. So if somebody wanted to adopt more than one, they obviously get along great together. So if somebody wanted to adopt 1 or 2, brother and sister, or 2 brothers,
For sure, for sure.
Awesome. So tell me about the Johnston County Animal Services. I know you guys are in Smithfield.
We're located at 115 Shelter Way. We're behind the new Ford dealership that just recently opened up. We're here every day, Monday through Friday. We're open 8 to 5. We do take lunch from 12 to 1. We are doing our adoptions by appointment only, so you do need to go online, kind of find 1 or 2 that you're interested in adopting, call and make an appointment, and then we'll bring you in and we'll, let you meet that 1 or 2, until this COVID is over with. That's the way we're rolling.
I love it. He's all about you. He's like, oh, I want to give you love, Tina. And how are you guys doing with supplies now that we have the coronavirus? Is there anything you guys are in need of when it comes to food? And
we can always use kitten food, puppy food, laundry soap, bleach, sponges, to wash the dishes. But right now we're looking pretty good, but we do rely heavily on donations. So, any donations of dog food, cat food, puppy food, kitten food, we turn nothing down.
I gotcha. Excellent. Well, I'll put the pictures of Blizzard and Crystal and Elliot and Mo. You call him Mo. I thought it was Moo. I was like, that's adorable. But Mo.
One calls him Moo, one calls him Mo.
I'll put their pictures below, as well as a link to the website so people can find you guys. And thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. Ooh. That's okay. Oh my gosh, look at them.
Yeah, we might have had one hit the string, so we lost you for a second, but there they all are.
Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, and they get along so well together. It'd be so great if they could stay together.
Yeah, yep, they're awesome. They're awesome.
All right, Tina, thanks so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you. We appreciate you.